Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I just want to talk about. I was not planning to make this video actually, but few things caught my attention. See, the moment when I open this, for example, I was working on a small project. Do you see this port? It says blocking port. So what happened when we are whenever we are working on any project, so many times what happened, live server suddenly stop working, and because even when I do this settings to auto save things, so what happen if I make any changes here, it should it should show, see here, it should display. So if it's not displaying, then and when live servers again and again getting shut off, so it become very problematic when we are running any code. So suddenly when live server is not working and give error, so what you can there is a I have searched, so I was also getting annoyed by this. So what we can do, and when I search on YouTube, there was some videos regarding this, but those videos had so much background noise that when you're trying to concentrate and trying to understand what the person actually doing to solve his problem, there is a lot of background noise. The kind of music they play, uh, it's very rock band music, and it was bizarre. So that's why I thought of making this video, because for the people like those, there must be many people like me who must be facing this problem. So what we can do here, whenever there whenever this problem occur, we can go on this here settings, live server. So live server setting, if you see here, edit in setting JSONs. So you see there is a this. So I have changed normally live server dot setting ports always by default was 0. That means it will pick up the random port whenever you create any new project. So it will pick up a random port, but just few one day ago I have changed this to 3000. That uh, okay, you need to pick up this port. I can even change it to 0. That won't be any problem. But I for a moment, for some time, I just wanted to be that it should stay on 3000 and see what happens. So this is also a very easy method to fix this thing, because it's very annoying when you are fully devoted to one do something and this kind of error occur. So many people forgive me if I'm talking in English, because I got this recommendation on Facebook. So if you are not following me on Facebook, please you can follow me on Facebook as well. Code with Sage. So this is the issue, and what also you can do is you can go on to your extensions, No, I don't wanna go there. Just sorry. Yes, you can go to the live server and disable and enable. I have done that. So you can see there is also, they have made some FAQs regarding this, but I think they have not got so many hits regarding this error. But I was getting, and some people have made this video, so that prove that we were getting this kind. We were getting, people were getting this problem. So you can go on to the settings also and do the same thing from here. Edit JSON, you will get it right here, and also you can choose the browser, and also you can do this. There is one thing which I was. It's people must be thinking why you are making videos on this regarding the live server. It's a very small thing, but I was also thinking like that before when I got this problem. So yeah, no, I'm not able to find that. There is the option auto save. Yes, auto save. We can also do this auto save on a focus of change, on window change. Yes, and 1 second. So yeah, this is it. So this is it, guys. This was a quick. This was a quick video regarding this. Please like, share, and subscribe. You will find so many videos in my channel, which which will be helpful to you guys. So please go ahead, please watch those videos and see. And I have uploaded so many, shorts also about reviews of the new products which I use at home. So you can watch those videos also, and please like, share, and subscribe. And very soon I'm going to bring a React project, a fully functional website. I had already recorded that, but you know what happened, that I lost the audio of that video. So what I'm going to do, I have already made that project. I'm just in a process of doing editing. It's a React fully functional website with contact message, contact form in it. So where a user can send a message to the website, uh, website handlers or association or a company regarding his query. So it's with the React JS with Tailwind. So thank you so much, guys. वीडियो थोड़ा लंबा हो गया है. Please comments and share and subscribe. Thank you.